Hi, today I'm going to make dandelions. Very easy to make and very pretty flowers. Materials required are crepe paper in green and yellow, a thick wire for stem and green floral tip. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the center. This is 2 centimeter by 5 centimeters. Cut one piece. This is of petal A. This is 3 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Cut one piece. Petal B 3.5 by 12 centimeters. Cut one piece. Petal C 4 centimeters by 12 centimeters. Cut one piece. This is for the leaf. This is 2.5 by 15 centimeters. Cut as many as you like. This is of the sepal. This is 3 centimeters by 4 centimeters. Cut one piece. And this is for the bract. This is 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter. Take the green floral tape a little bit. Stretch it and just cover the top of the thick wire. Like so. Then take the piece for the center and I'll just fold it. So I'll just cut about 1 millimeter wide strips on it and leaving a little bit on the other side. Like this. Now just on the right side, just curl them, half of the strip, just curl half of it, the fringe. So half of it is like this and half of it is straight. Now just apply glue. So starting from the side which has straight stems, straight strips, just roll the paper. So it will look like this. Now take the strip of petal A, so I'll just fold it. And starting from the folded side, first just make a cut, leave about 1 centimeter on one side. First just give a little curve on the top and give a slit about 2 mm and then giving a curve like this and cut it straight. So we'll do it again. So you give a curve, a slit. So each petal would be about 2 millimeter or wide, like this. So this is how they look, and I'll just cut the. So after cutting the strip like this, I'll just curl the petals lightly. Apply glue stick it. So make sure that you stick it below the fringe, so it will come like this. And then just sort of roll it between your fingers so that all the layers stick. This is how it looks. Now I've cut both petal B and C I have cut them in the same manner as I did for the earlier strip. So I'll take petal B, curl these also slightly more than the first one. Apply glue. And stick it at the same level as the previous strip. Just make sure while you're winding it that it's tight, it's not loose. And then just press the base. So this is how it looks. And similarly for petal C, first curl them. Like this, and then just curl the petals again, just the tip, so it really bends. Like this. Apply glue. Like this. So just press it again. Take the piece for the sepal, fold it, and then just cut out small triangles. On it. Like so. Now just apply glue on the base. And stick it, slightly lower than the flower, so that it comes like this. and then just twist holding it like this, just twist the base. Like so. Now I've cut the bract in the same manner as I did for the sepals. So these first, just sort of bend them against a finger. So they bend like this. Apply glue. Like so. And now I'll just stick it at the base of this. So it will come in the same way. So you can even stretch it if it doesn't fit. And just roll it like this. Take the strip for the leaf. Basically this dandelion leaf has a very jagged edge, so just going to cut it freehand. Then towards the end, just taper it off like this. So I'll cut the other side also in the same manner. And then taper it off like so. So now just with the pair of scissors, just score a line in the center for the vein like this. So this is how the leaf would look. Now just cut a long piece of the tape. Stretch it. So I'll just start winding. Cover about 8 to 10 inches of the wire. And take a leaf. Just put it on the wire. Take another one opposite to this, if you like. So you have two leaves like this, and the flower. First just position the bracts, they fold it up. Then just open out the petals. Just press them down. So this is how the flower would look.